Hi there, in this tutorial here we're going to be looking at the CAD commands fasten to fasten the two parts of the jar together. For in the next tutorial we'll look at assembling all the parts together. And we're looking for the parts to be fully constrained, and the fasten command should help us achieve that nice and easily. So we head into Onshape. I've got my previous assembly there, and one thing I forgot to mention in that last tutorial is just renaming it, right clicking down there, rename, and rename that the drawer, so it's nice and obvious when we come to assemble it there. Go click the plus symbol here, and we'll create assembly there, and you'll see our new assembly opens up with the assembly tools up there. Going to go into insert, and we'll go for the lid. Click to position that there, and the jar there as well. And we'll click to position that there, and then we can just hit the green tick. We'll zoom out a little bit. We want to use the fasten command again. So click on the fasten command. We're going to click on that inside surface there, and we're going to be fastening this to the face of the jar down there. So clicking there, you see our yellow circle appearing, and then we're going to click here, just on the rim of that jar, and there we are, and it's jumped into place, and we just click green, and then we can just get rid of that there. And then what you can do is you can just grab the whole of the jar lid, and you can see it's not moving. Actually, what we should make sure we do is just go right click on that lid, and we'll fix that. And now if we grab the jar, you can see the jar is not moving in any direction, so it means those are fully constrained together. Finally, we'll just go down to assembly 1, and we'll just rename that jar. And even though it's got the same name as a part, because it's an assembly, it will be you'll be able to tell the difference. So that's us done with that. So I said next tutorial we'll look at assembling all these parts together.